This new MOU that we will sign this morning, it will go to March of 2026. And the overarching aim is to build capacity of restorative practices across Jamaica with a focus on school administrators, children, and parents.
The Amber UTech Launchpad signals a significant and meaningful opportunity for Jamaican citizens of all ages and socio-economic backgrounds, including tertiary students, to realize their dreams of establishing thriving businesses.
If you need a plumber to fix a leak at your house, you will be able to go on the Skills on Demand portal and identify plumbing professionals who have registered and who have been verified as having training and certification from HEART.
Education philosophy for Jamaica has been finalized. We have also embarked on a significant procurement in order to outfit our schools. As we witness the signing of this transformative project, this project focuses on developing standards, providing leadership training, and offering specialized certification, and it will undoubtedly strengthen the framework for governance and regulation of special education in Jamaica.
As we reopen this center today, we do so with a renewed sense of purpose and commitment.
Senator Dr. the Honorable Dana Morris Dixon will assume duties as Minister of Education, Skills, Youth and Information.